Alright, good afternoon from the Smith household. What is your name, sir?
Gabriel Smith.
And what is that in your hands, Gabe?
This is a Rubik's Cube.
What would you say is the goal of the Rubik's Cube?
For every side to have only one color.
Okay. What do you think the purpose is of the Rubik's Cube?
To challenge yourself and to work on your thinking skills.
Okay. How did you learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube?
Well, I watched a video and played it over and over again until I learned how to. And to solve a Rubik's Cube, you follow something called an algorithm, which is a series of steps to solve the Rubik's Cube.
Okay. Did I mess that up well for you?
Yes.
Alright, well, go ahead and do your best.
Okay.
Alright, well done. Thank you very much for helping me out, and a lot better than I can do.
You're welcome.
Have a good afternoon. Talia, have a good afternoon.